morning, guys. It is Ricardo, junkguysdfw.net on a beautiful day, man. It's nice out here today. Oh, dang it. Hold on. All right, so I'm going to a house. I'm almost here. It's going to be I don't know if it's going to be a long video or a short video, to be honest with you. But I am here in Dallas, Texas. It's supposed to be Cedar Hill or Dallas, Texas, but it's on the outskirts of one of the two cities, and I'm not sure which one it is. But I'm out here. I'm going to pick up a fridge really quick. And it says it's here. It's on the front of the house. Not a very great parking spot, I will tell you that. I parked in an area where there's cars passing by. So what I'm doing right now, I'm getting through my bag. I'm going to get my grappler. This is the thing that I put my GoPro on that I'm talking. So when I talk to y'all, this is it. So I'm going to disconnect my camera, and we're going to go. Oh my God. Hello, how may I help you? I love people that don't talk to me. I love it. Here we go. You know, this happens all the time where I forget the address. It's definitely that house. I got it. I'm ringing the bell. Oh, sorry. They told me to ring the bell a lot. I'm talking to her on the phone. Oh, I'm here to pick up the fridge. Sorry about that. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. No problem. Well, y'all have a lot of candies out.
Yes. There's lots. That's a badass refrigerator that Buddy took off with the
I got it. It ain't going nowhere. I got it. Do what you got to do. Now, hey, I'm not picking up dog food.